Welcome to Right Choose.
Top 10 Best High Quality Automatic Espresso Machine Can You Buy in 2021?
Top 1.
Grindmaster-Cecilware TDST Super Automatic Dual Brewer Espresso Machine, 2-step, 2-group, 400 cup capacity per hour. Grindmaster-Cecilware's UNIC Tango ST Duo Espresso Machine, 2-group, super automatic, 2-step, with steamator wand, automated milk foamer, upward of 48 lbs week capacity, 2, 6.5 liters each boiler capacity, 2, 3.75 pounds each bean hopper capacity, 2, grinders with 80 mm malconic burrs, 2, 60,000 cycle piston seals, 2, independent stainless steel brewing chambers, 48, programmable customizable icon recipes, touchscreen display, 9, infusion parameters, temperature regulation for steam, coffee. Group, independent steam coffee boilers, 2, telescopic dismountable double coffee spouts.
Top 2.
Jura Impressa X9 Super Automatic Commercial Espresso Machine with Auto Cappuccino, graphic display, programming function, permanent connection to water supply and daily capacity 150 cups, stainless steel. Features coffee specialties. More than 20 different specialties can be programmed to suit your personal taste. 10 of them can be assigned their own keys. The machine makes popular coffees such as cappuccino or latte macchiato without needing to shift cups around. User-friendliness. The display dialogue system and the clearly defined product keys make the Impressa X9 an absolute star of self-service areas. The coffee dispenser is height adjustable and is easy to remove for cleaning. Integrated rinsing, cleaning, and decalcifying programs turn maintenance into child's play. Programming field individuality can be so easy. You'll find a whole variety of programming options behind the elegant panel. 2 grinders. Thanks to the 2 high-performance conical grinders, you can assign either one of the grinders or your personal blend from both of the grinders to the product keys. The separate bean tanks have an elegant, semi-transparent design and hold 650 g each. You can program your personal blend of beans entirely according to your preference. The active bean level monitoring system lets you know if a bean tank is nearly empty and when to fill it up.
Top 3.
La Pavoni Pub 1VR1 Group Volumetric Espresso Machine, Anti-Vacuum Valve, Copper Boiler, Ruby Red. Electronic Programmable Dosing Espresso Machine with Digital Control Pad and Microprocessor. 0.4 cup size selections including continuous brewing and a stop button. Press forged nickel brass groups with vertical infusion chamber and pressurization system. Hot water jet is controlled by knob. 1 steam wand. Made in Italy.
Top 4.
Saeco Xelsis Super Automatic Espresso Machine, titanium metal front, SM7684,04 with Philips Saeco AquaClean filter single unit, CA6903,10. Premier programming. The Xelsis lets you program everything. From milk and espresso volume to dose, temperature, and texture. Only thing holding back your morning drink is you. User profile, and, once you have your favorite drinks dialed in, you can save them to your dedicated profile for easy access. No descaling guaranteed for up to 5,000 cups. With Philips Saeco's patented AquaClean water filter you don't have to descale your Philips, Pico Baristo, or Incanto espresso machine for up to 5,000 cups, if you follow the recommended replacement schedule.
Top 5.
Gaggia Babila Espresso Machine, stainless steel. One-touch brewing and frothing, bean-to-cup feature. Milk carafe includes automatic milk frothing for cappuccinos, and milk froth. Manual steam wand doubles as a hot water dispenser. Accessories included, 1 bottle of Gaggia Descaler, 1 AquaClean water filter, 1 water hardness test strip, 1 tube of brew group lubricant, 1 brew group brush, 1 coffee scoop/grinder key. Programmable, 8 programmable brewing options for espressos, espresso lungos, coffee, ristrettos, lattes, cappuccinos, macchiato, flat whites, and milk foam. Easy access to water reservoir, features a top-loading removable 50.7 ounces water reservoir, brew boiler wattage, 1400.
Top 6.
Gaggia Cadorna Prestige Super Automatic Espresso Machine, medium. 14 pre-programmed beverages. Build your home barista menu with 14 pre-programmed beverages including a ristretto, espresso, espresso lungo, coffee, americano, cappuccino, cappuccino XL, cafe au lait, cafe cortado, latte macchiato XL, flat white, frothed milk, and hot water for tea, hot cocoa, or infusions. Integrated milk carafe. An integrated milk carafe creates the perfect temperature and texture of milk foam to make a beautifully layered milk-based beverage. It runs through an automatic rinse cycle to get rid of any residual milk so you won't have to worry about a messy cleanup process. 4 user profiles. Create up to 4 user profiles on the Cadorna Plus and save your favorite drinks for everyday consistency. Intuitive user interface. A full-color TFT display allows you to scroll through 14 specialty beverages with backlit buttons and experiment with a number of customizable settings to build your favorite barista-style beverage. Top 7. Jura 15,097 x 10 to the power of 8 espresso coffee machine, 28 cm x 35 cm x 35.1 cm, chrome. Chrome with black accents with TFT color display. 12 programmable specialties and 8 programmable levels of coffee strength. 6-level aromatic 3 grinder. Pulse extraction process, PEP. Intelligent pre-brew aroma system. Prepare coffee house-style specialties in the comfort of your own home with the E8 coffee machine from Jura. Taking inspiration from the world's best baristas, this coffee and espresso system utilizes revolutionary pulse extraction process, PEP, technology which optimizes the extraction time, allowing even short specialty coffees like ristretto and espresso to be prepared with an intensity and breadth of aromas like never before. Top 8. Deloghi Super Automatic Espresso Coffee Machine with Double Boiler, Milk Frother Maker for brewing espresso, cappuccino, latte, macchiato and flat white, ECAM 65055 MS Primadonna Elite. Multifunctional super automatic espresso coffee machine with a patented automatic cappuccino system that delivers a tasty barista quality, cappuccino, cafe latte, latte macchiato, hot and cold milk, flat white in less than 3 minutes. Can be used with either coffee beans or ground coffee for preparation of 2 cups of coffee within a single brewing cycle. Professional brew 2 cups of magic drink simultaneously with top-of-the-line Delogi bean to cup brews 2 cups. Great brewing without having to learn how to be a barista. This fully automated machine has an integrated silent coffee grinder with 13 adjustable grinding settings, a bypass doser, a pump generating up to 15 bars of pressure, a water filter, a double boiler system, an automatic milk frother, a milk jug and cup warmer, as well as electronic temperature control. User-friendly. A super automatic espresso maker can deliver the coffee shop experience to the comfort of your home, anytime you feel the urge. System equipped with a 3.5 TFT color display, a front-loading water tank, a frothing unit, a telescoping spigot, a bean hopper and coffee grounds container. Delogi Coffee Link app provides a real-time control, beverage customization control of general settings and easy access to support and manuals. Easy to clean automatic cleaning with desk-alling, cleaning, and rinsing programs with a cappuccino system cleaning indicator. All removable components of the Delogi Super Automatic Espresso Coffee Machine are dishwasher safe. Top 9. Nuova Simonelli Musica LED Rim Plumbed Espresso Coffee Machine Huge Starter Kit. Make espressos or cappuccinos just like in a cafe. The automatic dosing, thermocompensated group and steaming system are derived from larger, professional machines, soundproof pump and insulated boiler with exchanger. Top 10. Babila Fully Automatic Espresso Machine, Oracle Touch, Black. Swipe. Select. Enjoy. With automation at every stage, simply swipe and select for espresso, long black, latte, flat white or cappuccino and enjoy cafe quality coffee at home. Dose amount, the integrated conical burr grinder automatically grinds, doses and tamps 22 grams of coffee, similar to the commercial machine in your favorite cafe. Precise water temperature, the difference between an ashy or balanced tasting espresso can be caused by temperature change as little as 2 degrees F.
Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.